is La Star. Hey, welcome to the segment Altered States of Storytelling. I have three segments. This one, reverse hypnosis, where we're reversing negative stuff. And the third one will be 55 Fridays, where I will be doing tarot readings. But let's get to this video. I want to first say, yes, whoever is listening right now, you are psychic. Yes, you are. We all are psychic. I'm out here in the dark in my all black nocturnal like an owl. Owls are psychic just like I am. They have strong senses. They know when something is right and not right. But let's have this conversation, right? Yes, we all are psychic in our own ways, y'all. We all have different psychic abilities. Now, we all use them in different ways. And some people are more psychic than others because they use them every day. Practice makes perfect, just like anything. They're using their abilities. That's how you get your abilities strong. But I want to briefly talk about this. This is going to be a mini clip to briefly talk about your abilities, and then I'm going to have another video to go in depth about, I think I'm talking about 5 or 6 main abilities that we have, okay? I want to let y'all know. The first one, let's get to it, is clairaudience. This is when you're like, I hear what you're saying. Yeah, I hear you, boy. And your abilities are auditory. So it may come through songs. You may get sing songs, and you may ask the question, and you're like, wait a minute, that's the answer to it, that song. Or you may hear strangers on the street, and you overhear being nosy, but that's good because that can be a message that you've been praying about, asking about from a stranger, y'all. You may have the gift of gab. If you have clairaudience, you may be a speaker, a writer, a singer, a rapper, whatever, it is. If you have to communicate with somebody, your clairaudience, y'all. So let me know if you're clairaudient. Number two, let's talk about clairvoyance. I see. I see what you're saying. Yeah. I see. I think I see. You have visions, you have dreams, you have stuff coming true from those dreams, and you may be seeing auras around people. You see energy, or you just like see the little things that a lot of people miss, and you really notice symbols. And then if you tell somebody about it, like, did you see that symbol? They're like, no, I didn't see anything, because you're the clairvoyant. You're clairvoyant. And I'm actually clairvoyant as well. I see things in my visions, in my dreams. And clairaudience and clairvoyance are my team. They work as a team. And for example, like if I get a picture in my mind, I also get some like a song or something auditory. So they both work as teams in my, in my life they do. So clairsentience is number three. The dog's barking out here, y'all. It's dark. It's all good. So clairsentience is I feel. You feel a lot of people's pain. If they're sick, you might get sick. If they're super happy, you might be super happy. Um, it's like you're definitely a filler, and it's a really, really good thing, but it's a bad thing because you can get drained fast from being around a lot of people because your energy is depleted. You can get bitchy if you're around people too long and you haven't, been by yourself. You need a lot of solitude. So you might be in a healing profession, you might be a nurse, a counselor, a therapist, or anything that has to do with feeling people's pain or emotions. So number four, I think we're on number four, right? Let's see where we are, y'all. Claircognizance. I know. Yeah, I know. This is about having blind faith of just knowing. Like, I know what you're saying, but I know the truth. Like, you can't go to court though talking about, okay, Your Honor, I have clear cognizance, I mean, I might not have no proof, but I got clear cognizance, you know. You can't do that, but you can do it in real life, on a personal level. Be like, I just know what you're saying out your mouth, but I know the truth because I know. So you might as well. You know so if something fishy, you smell it. I mean, and if you clairsentient, you really smell it. Claircognizant and clairsentience, because a lot of times you have more than one ability, y'all. You have more than one. You already know something's gonna happen before it happens. Okay, so just remember that. But let's get to number five, intuition. Like, if somebody, like, you would think about somebody and then all of a sudden, ring, ring, you get that phone call. Like, I was just thinking about you, like, right now. Or your intuition will tell you not to go down a certain street that you've been going down for years because maybe it may be danger lurking that day. Or it tells you to go apply for that job at a certain time or a certain day. Your intuition tells you if that lover is right for you, whether you decide to go past, go or not. Your intuition always tells you the truth. Now let's move on to the last one, number six, mediumship. Now, mediumship is when you channel deceased spirits or spirits that are alive. Um, I am definitely a medium. I channel spirits all the time, every day. I believe in God, so I'll channel God or Jesus or my angels or spirit guides, or I'll connect with somebody where I need help with. Like, for instance, Pac. I love me some Pac. I'm a rapper, and he is such an inspiration, y'all. And when I really need some help musically, I call on Pac. Like, Pac, I need some help, and he always right there. Or if I need some inspiration, like from Martin Luther King, I have a dream. He's right there. So, like, I definitely can, but that's just deceased spirits. Like, alive spirits too. Like, I have these hip hop cards and I be channeling messages from people that are still alive. So, I'm definitely a medium. Now, how can you connect to your abilities? Meditation. Ask your guides to connect with you in a way that you will understand and go from there. It's all about spirituality and connecting with your own spirit so that you can connect with higher beings that can help you with your abilities, y'all. Okay. Now, I have a lot more to say in an in depth video, but this was just a mini video to let you know that don't let nobody tell you anything. You are psychic. Now, you can go to other psychics because sometimes they'll give you a different perspective on your life, but you are psychic as well. If you need some help, sometimes you can go to yourself, you know, break out the tarot cards or wherever, kind of guide that you need to focus in on your life to improve your life and get it to where you want to be. All right. So I'm glad we had this conversation. This is the Star Tribe. Let me know, comment, share, like how you feel, what kind of ability you have, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.